Yo, it's me again. I am playing Happy Wars. As you should know, future Cody. Okay. Only got 4 minutes. Still. Gotta make it go by fast. What? No. Make it go by quickly. Alright, so the main area of this game is to bash people's souls in with a battle axe. And level up and take the towers and win the game. That's the main goal. So I'm gonna watch this time. Thank you. I try to say thank you every time. Thank you just coming. This is just one of my favorite maps. I also love the music. Yeah. This level up. Where are them people? No, I want first kill. No. No, I don't want to be first kill. I want the first kill. I was the first kill. I'm gonna die, people. I'm literally gonna die. In about 10 minutes. But I will die for all of you. Ow! Ow! I'm dead. I'm usually really good at this. Alright, already 2 minutes in. Great. And I have accomplished a level 2. Not so cute. Yes, level 3. I have an actual talent for this. Oh snap. Who's about to get to level 4? This guy. Ow. I'm leaving. Well, I still can. Thank you. Thank you. I killed a Jeremy. You can no longer spawn here. I've taken your threshold. Ow. What am I doing? I was the reason that happened. You are very welcome. No, you don't. Please, Mickey, please. Please resurrect me. All I've done is die. Okay. Time for my spin to move. Where you guys is? Jeremy died. I shall battle you here. Come up to the sandy place, please. Grab blood.